me that. Loose. Get off it. Get off it. Ah, thank you. Oh, well, hello everyone and welcome back to... Well, you hear the printing sounds, you know what this is. So today I thought I'm gonna show you this thing. It's working. Kind of. Just have some problem with the joystick. I need to change. Show you soon. Let's see, I just need to learn which way it's what to turn this thing. Oh, it's a bit fast on the turning, as you can see. And then we just get it down and close the gravel like that. Well, so yes, I have this right now, and this one is for the second arm here, but it's like this, it's staying. So I'm gonna change this to one like this one later on. So yeah, you don't get this just sticking and everything. So yeah, it's working. See if I can pack it down. As you can see, it's really fast on the turning. Now we need to fix that somehow. We just learn to drive it carefully. Yeah, it did not take this long when I practiced this. So well, now everything's working here. As you can see, I thought I'm gonna show you everything. Here you have all this cable that I use like hydraulic lines, but they also have a purpose because it's the electronics for everything. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 motors on this one. You also have one here for this part, but it went too heavy in here, so I burned the motor for it. And right now I'm not going to use it because on my old crane I never use that part, because often I just get the logs beside the truck, so you don't have to reach that far. But yeah, later on I will probably fix that. And then you got a servo here for the graveler. And everything is packed in... let's come here, I will show you. So all the electronics is packed in this hydraulic tank here. It was a really tight fit, but I got the ESCs and the receiver in here. And then you got the power cables to all the ESCs here. And as you can see, I have hid the battery behind the air filter. It will be locked in place with a rubber string. And then I have the electronics for the driving in the tank here on the right side. Everything goes down to this. So yeah, everything is hiding. I will try to make the cables black, I think. I have also painted the cart and printed some new rims, because I will not go with the 1.9 tires that I had from the beginning. So I had to print 2.2 rims like I have on the truck itself, but with other hubcaps like this one. And then I ordered 4 more wheels from Scale Tires, the same ones that I have on the truck. I think that will look better in the end. So hopefully I soon will get them home and I can put this together like this and try some logs on it, so we really can see how it will look. And now let's meet the driver here and his, yeah, let's say girlfriend maybe. I also notice I have missed paint in the roof, so I need to fix something to have there. Then maybe fix some more details on the inside, I'm not sure what yet. But yeah, that's the inside of the truck. And here I need to fix some windshield wipers and yeah, a lot of details on it. It will come later on. So that is the Kamaz log truck so far. Starting to get there. I will keep you updated on this one, but for driving videos and stuff you will see a bit less from now on, because I need to get the time for it, and yeah, it's not easy to find the time always. So yeah, you will probably see some shorts and stuff like that, but I will take some time this summer or after summer to try to make some good videos and maybe publish later on. But for now on you will probably just mostly updates on this one until it's finished. So yeah, please subscribe, leave a comment and like and share my videos, so I maybe get more energy to make more driving videos and stuff like that in the future. I have some really great ideas, I just need to find the time for it. So yeah, that was all from me this time. See you later everyone, goodbye!